The COVID-19 pandemic profoundly changed not only our lives, but also the way we communicate. Remote work became the new normal, highlighting the importance of effective internal communication. The current job market needs internal communication specialists. In fact, research shows that effective internal communication can increase a team's productivity by up to 25%. So why do internal stakeholders matter so much? First of all, employees represent the organization they work for. For example, the famous beer brand Qingdao experienced consumer backlash in South Korea after a video of an employee violating health production codes became viral. As a result, sales plummeted. Secondly, the stakes for employees are high. These stakes include salary, job security, and working hours. Data shows that good employer branding leads to 50% increase in the number of qualified candidates applying for a position. Therefore, companies want to have the reputation of being a good workplace, and the way to do that is by keeping their employees engaged. Finally, employees are powerful stakeholders and can affect the operations of an organization. Food Panda workers, for instance, were on strike because they were upset about the way the company calculated delivery distance. The strike led to disruption of operations and generated lots of negative publicity for the company. These are just a few of the examples why employees are such important and interesting stakeholder group to manage. So join me on this exciting journey to explore the many nuances of internal communication and be on the forefront of current communication trends.